Oh, tiger leeches. Let's see that.
And they'll drop off and get stuck into a nice blood meal. They sense the warmth of our bodies.
So this is Steve from Deadly 60. Right now I'm watching Deadly 60, everyone.
Watch this. You see them start to move towards the source of the carbon dioxide, which is me, and the blood meal I've got inside of me. They are absolutely hideous. Look, see them start to walk? Yeah, there you go. Now, I want to do a little bit of a scientific experiment here. There's 6 of us here. We're going to wander through the forest for about 10 minutes and see how many of these little beauties we can pick up. Come on, guys. I mean, at least do a little bit. Roll your trousers up or something. Come on. Hair English legs here. Come on, Nick. How about you? Right. Let's go get it. This is going to be a real test for the crew.
There's Bailey and his little pies. Say hello.
Hello.
Bailey, say I'm eating my pies.
I am a pie.
Pies, Bailey. Oh, tiger leech.
This one's pretty impressive. Getting quite attached to it. Oh no. This is a health warning. The following scene could seriously put you off your teeth. Oh, I've got 2 on my nipple. Oh, horrible.
He's drinking, man. He's properly drinking.
Oh yeah, tiger leech. Yuck.
Of these disgusting leeches. But there's one question.